No, no, no. Read it.
As I mentioned, last time I tried to do this recording, it startled us so much when it went off, we didn't get it recorded. So today is November 22nd, 2013, and it would have been Pop's 101st birthday, born November 22nd, 1912. And he passed away 2 years ago. And in honor of his birthday, each year I plan to light off this cannon in celebration of his birth and the long life he lived. And we miss him terribly. So here we go. Hold your ears.
Whoa! Now that was respectable. Got the dog going.
That did it.
That did it. Did you tell next door?
Nope.